Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I can't believe it got past me, but that is 2098. I don't think my image is blocking that, but yeah, I just absolutely could not believe this, that this thing is under under a year old, and it has almost 2,100 views. And this is just a testament to you guys. So I just want to tell you thank you. And something that I've been thinking a lot about. I had seen some posts other places about people struggling and staying focused and what to do when they get stuck or get in a slump. So one thing that I noticed and kind of thought about but didn't really understand until I saw a quote from Richard Feynman. He was on the Manhattan Project. He worked with the Challenger disaster. Basically a genius. But one of his famous quotes is, if you want to master a subject, teach it. And I completely agree with that. So what really cemented these ideas for me was I started volunteering at my kids' schools and teaching programming shortly after I started learning. And it really reinforced my understanding of the subjects and why you did what you did and how everything worked. So just didn't know when I'd ever touch on that or when I'd share that. But I thought this would be a good time. But just thank you as always. 2,000 views, almost 2,100. I can't believe it just flew by. I try to look at them every so often. When I say try, I probably look at them too much. But I really got some cool stuff coming up. Thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And if you know anybody who's struggling, send them this way. This is a channel for people who really want to know and really want to understand. Just not get a idea of how to program, but all the tools that are out there. Because you're going to run into a problem and you're like, oh my God, how am I going to do that? This is why it's here in bite size. It's how you eat an elephant, one bite at a time. And that's the point of this. So alright, I don't want to ramble on too much. But thank you for everything. Thanks for watching. Just thank you. I'm always humbled. Extremely humbled, to be honest. But stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.